Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can fix the bookmarks bar disappeared issue or problem on Google Chrome in 2025. So let us dive right into this. So as you can see guys, I'm on Google Chrome and apparently the bookmarks bar is not being displayed. For instance, that might be because I might have accidentally disabled it or hidden it. So let me show you how you can re-enable it again. There are two different approaches to this, guys. Option number one, you access your browser settings by clicking into these three dots, by clicking into settings here, and inside your browser settings, navigate to, let me find it here, appearance to the left. And from there, guys, make sure that you enable show bookmarks bar here, and that is going to re-enable your bookmarks bar. Option number two, you head over to your toolbar customization. So to do that, click into these three dots here, again, hover your mouse over more tools and select customize Chrome. From here, expand toolbar. And from here, guys, you may re-enable bookmarks, but not as a bar, but instead as a symbol or icon here on your toolbar, so that you may, let me just close that, access it by clicking into that icon here. And from here, simply navigate through your bookmarks, add new folders, edit and customize your bookmarks, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. That's how you fix this issue and re-enable and show your bookmarks bar in 2025 on Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.